Drew Alliance. You are ready. Let's get going for Auton in 3, 2, 1. Everybody's going after things. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 red in the back goal, 1, 2, 3, 4 blue in the back goal. But 𝗹𝗶𝗸 comes in, does the scoot before Boundless manages to make it 𝗵𝗶𝗸 with another 4 in. Red takes the autonomous win. Let's get ready for driver control in 3, 2, 1, drive. Fast and furious loading coming out of 𝗵𝗶𝗸 into their match loader. 𝗹𝗶𝗸 sweeping what they can out. One block going in. They've got 2 blues lined up in their robot. I think they're going to want to get rid of those. Boundless doing their match loading. Nicely done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 𝗵𝗶𝗸 defending what they can on their red long goal. 1, 2, 3. Oh, but they miss. 2 going into the center, but most of them fall out. Only 1 remains. They've got 1 on top, 1 on bottom. 𝗹𝗶𝗸𝘃𝗃𝗃𝗃 chasing them around in circles. That's going to be RoboHawks doing whatever they can to keep 𝗵𝗶𝗸 away from the long goals. Big pile up. Oh my gosh, RoboHawks and 𝗵𝗶𝗸 entangled. 𝗵𝗶𝗸 breaks free. Boundless versus 𝗹𝗶𝗸. Boundless versus 𝗹𝗶𝗸. Boundless tries to hold them off. 𝗹𝗶𝗸 gets trapped between 2 robots. It's anybody's game. This match can change so fast. 𝗵𝗶𝗸 heads on over to the Blue Alliance side, scoops up what red blocks they can, while their opponents, Boundless, I believe is who that is. Yes, it is. They go over, pop 3 in. 𝗵𝗶𝗸 answers by removing 2. Oh, and the 3rd. All of our goals are nothing but red. Royal Robots tussling with RoboHawks. I can hear the sounds of non-shattering plastic reaching its absolute limits. 𝗵𝗶𝗸 playing defense against against Boundless. 5 seconds remain. Boundless may go for the park. 𝗵𝗶𝗸's been noted to be able to park in the last couple of seconds. I don't know if their wheels are all the way up. We'll have to.
Auton in 3, 2, 1. On the red alliance, we have 89040B Dread Pirates and 8000X HRS RoboHawks. And on the blue alliance, we have 65696C TVT Vex Robotics C and 3595V Vortex. Driver. Oh, blue wins auto. Now let's start driver in 3, 2, 1. A very nice start by Vortex and TVT C team. And now let's see if the Red Alliance could make a comeback. Over here on my side of the field, we have RoboHawks trying to score, and they score 1, 2, 3 blocks. They score the 4th one. Never mind. They're scoring. They're making their way. Look like Red Alliance has the control zone for my side of long goal, while it is tied on your side of the long goal over there. Meanwhile, Red Alliance also has the control zone of the upper center goal right now. Oh, we have Vortex fighting hard and getting 2 blocks into the control zone, guaranteeing blue the control zone for the long goal. Oh, we also have TVT Vex Robotics C team trying to descore the red blocks, but then they accidentally descored their own. Meanwhile, on your side of the long goal, Dread Pirates and Vortex are clashing against each other. Oh, what a massive descore by Vortex! This could be anyone's game right now. 2 S-shaped bots against 1 long goal. Let's see who could make this. Oh, we have Dread Pirates going for the lower center goal, and they managed to get 1 block in there. Meanwhile, Vortex is fighting to get the control bonus of the upper center goal, and we have 2 robots parked.
3, 2, 1, auto. Mariner off the block. 1, 2, 3, 4 in their robot. Ember, they did land it. They put them in the middle. We've got 1, 2, 3 from the Red Alliance at the back. At the front of our field, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for red and 4 for blue. Red Alliance gets the early win in autonomous. Let's see if they can maintain that lead in 3, 2, 1. Driver control. That is a red autonomous. Red autonomous. If I could get that mark from our scorekeepers, that will seriously assuage my anxiety. Thank you very much. Mariner hassling the Iron Eagles, but their other eagle, Eagles Engineering Bravo, remained unbothered while they maintained, woo, holy tangle, tangle. All right, that's Eagles Engineering Bravo getting entangled with 𝗥𝗶𝗸. 𝗥𝗶𝗸 coming out of it. Mariner giving Iron Eagles Ember a run for their money. Fire is the most dangerous thing for a ship, so they'll have to be careful not to get burned. Bravo managing to hold off 𝗥𝗶𝗸. Clashing at the front of the field. These hits are only going to get more extreme. At the moment, all I have is red on the board. There we go. Bravo calling out for pinning, but they did have a way out. They could just turn around. Also, they are now the ones doing the pinning. I see you, Bravo. Mariner sweeps away some of the Eagles' gains. Bravo pinning 𝗥𝗶𝗸 at the front of the field. 𝗥𝗶𝗸 desperately trying to gain access to blocks and score them. Iron Eagles Ember holding Mariner against the wall. Mariner getting their hook entangled in Iron Eagles intakes. It's everybody for themselves in the last 15 seconds. Blue has to get something on the board, or this is going to be another blowout Elim match. I'll even take a park. Anything I can get. Mariner goes in for the park, but they've got to get the wheels up off the ground.
In 3, 2, 1. Oh, I think I hear the refs calling out that Space Pandas have been crossing over their autonomous line. Correct me if I'm wrong. Blue wins auto because red crossed the line. Let's start driver in 3, 2, 1. Oh, 10F has a very nice D score right now, and 10F has the control of the long goal and the upper center goal as well. Meanwhile, Space Pandas on the other long goal still has the control zone. Well, Pathfinder Zeta is trying to find some extra room to get their blocks in. Meanwhile, over here, Vextra is going for a reload and to get some blocks in their system so that they could score into the long goal. Oh, we have some tension between Space Pandas and Pathfinder Zeta. And over here, 10F and Vextra are clashing against each other, and 10F is not letting Vextra score or de-score any blocks. With the current score of 88-13, it seems to me as if red has the higher advantage right now. Oh. 10F or exothermic fusion is clashing into Vextra and stopping them from de-scoring or using their hood. Meanwhile, on your side, we have a double gang on exothermic fusion as Pathfinder Zeta and Vextra are circling up on 10F. Oh, Space Panda looks like they're getting ready to do a D-score. Oh, is Blue trying to get a double park? Let's see. Could they make it? Oh, we have one part robot on.
And 3, 2, 1, auto. Everybody quick. Man, they get so close to the autonomous line, it gives me anxiety. 1, 2, 3 in for the Red Alliance up into the top. We've got Blue making quick work as well. They take over that bottom. everybody meets in the middle. I don't know if it's actually showing up on their tablets and just not on our side. All right, let's get going into driver control in 3, 2, 1, drive. This is the matchup by our number 5 alliance on the red side and our number 12 alliance on the blue side. Could we have another upset? All right, we've got driving force across the field. Let's see, that's Mile High Mechanics giving absolute hustle to Mages. NPCs spinning in circles as they get a big hit from their opponents from Mile High Mechanics. 𝗏𝗏𝗃 comes in to try and lend a hand. It's everybody for themselves all at the back of the field. 𝗏𝗏𝗃 is the only one that survives the pileup in the back. Meanwhile, we've got Mile High Mechanics giving all they've got over to Mages, trying to keep them away from those blue blocks and the long goal. We're all piled up at the front of our field right now. Mages preventing access, pushing Mile High all over the place. NPC coming in, lending a hand. Big collision by 𝗏𝗏𝗃 and Mile High. Uh-oh. Whoa, big pin, everybody up in the corner. Mages seems to be sort of sandwich trapped. They've broken free. Mile High tussling deeply with NPC. They took a few hits from Mages. Mages trapping 𝗏𝗏𝗃 making a sweep. Only 20 seconds remain and it's almost all red. Ho! 𝗏𝗏𝗃 had a little too much of that kind of energy. They nearly tipped over. Mages, what you doing? Mages deciding they were trying to park in the wrong place. We've got an entanglement between Mile High and NPC. Rubber bands breaking all over the place. One final swoop from Mages.
Time started in 3, 2, 1. Oh, we have some movement from 𝗥cie𝗯ance, 𝗹𝗶𝗸 and Susan. And Susan scores 2 blocks. Well, 𝗹𝗶𝗸 scores 6 blocks over here, and they managed to get the control zone. Well done by Red. Red wins auto. Let's start driver, my bad. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, 𝗹𝗶𝗍𝗁𝗃 has 2 blocks in their system right now, and it seems to me as if they're getting ready to score on any long goal. Meanwhile, Susan is gathering all their blocks to score on the upper center goal and get the control bonus. Well done. While over here, 𝗥cie𝗯ance and 𝗹𝗶𝗸, 2 Phoenix, Arizona teams are clashing against each other to get the control bonus of the long goal on my side of the field. Meanwhile, Susan is chilling on the other side, and that team is trying to score as many points as they can, and they score 2, 3 blocks on your side of long goal. Meanwhile, 𝗹𝗶𝗃 is getting reloaded to score, but they are getting pushed by 𝗥cie𝗯ance from Phoenix, Arizona. Meanwhile, Susan sneaks through right now, and they try to score some blocks. And I forgot to mention this, but 𝗹𝗶𝗍𝗁𝗃 had been tipped up. But their alliance, 𝗹𝗶𝗃, fixed them back. Oh, 𝗹𝗶𝗃 has 2 blocks in the top goal right now, getting blue the control bonus. Let's see if Red would try to get the control bonus back. Never mind. Okay, Red gets 3 blocks into the top goal. Oh, what a massive D score by 𝗹𝗶𝗃 on your side of the field. Now this could be anyone's game if they manage to get the control bonus. And the match ends in 4 seconds. And let's see who would win this. That's the end of round of 16.
3, 2, 1. Robots roll out. Sublime with a full snail of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way in. Pink shiny unicorns. 1, 2, 3. They missed their 4th. Odonata plants 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Unfortunately, one of them is red. That's not what they meant to do. And their alliance partners, Jinx, places 3. Ah, we had a cube exit the field on the blue alliance side. No. Oh my goodness. Whee! All right, we had a double SG4 violation on our Blue Alliance side, so it goes automatically to the Red Alliance. Lovely, let's get going into driver control. 3, 2, 1, drive. Sublime with their next round in 1, 2, 3. We've got 𝗹𝗶𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 locked up with our pink shiny unicorns. Oh, pink shiny knocks out 3 of 𝗹𝗶𝗃𝗃s. 𝗹𝗶𝗃 pushes back. Pink shiny knocks out the other 2. They claim the center. 𝗹𝗶𝗃 decides it's time to go do a little cleanup. 3 more out from Sublime against the Blue Alliance. We need 𝗥𝚀 to make some moves. 𝗥𝚀 coming around, sweeping up those blocks. How fast can they go? They've got to make sure that they can do that before Sublime. Oh, it doesn't matter that Sublime knocked them off their mark. They score anyway. Now it's going to be the battle. Oh, Sublime doesn't let them bring more than 1 in. Sublime still owning that long goal. Blue not scoring anything on the audience side long goal. We need to see 𝗹𝗶𝗃𝗃 putting some points up if they want to hold on to a chance. Sublime absolutely sticking to 𝗥𝚀, holding them against their will, not allowing them to score any of their blocks. They've got so many ready and queued up. 𝗹𝗶𝗃𝗃, I think they got stuck for just a moment. Oh, swoop. They just lost another one out of that long goal, but it's still red. Blue's got to score. They can't just play defense. Here comes 𝗥𝚀 with another one. They just need to get in position just enough. 20 seconds left. Nicely done. Pink swirly, no, pink shiny unicorns coming in. That's the push. Everyone at this back line. Oh, no, goodness. Sublime pushing what they've got out. Robots tipping up. Pink swirly, shiny unicorns parking. We've got one more moment. Oh, that's
3, 2, 1. We have all of our robots moving right now. Interesting. Meanwhile, Nexus goes for the lower goal. Upper center goal. While High Voltage and Nuisance go for the long goal. Oh. Nexus has a very interesting Auton. Red wins Auton. Okay, let's start driver in 3, 2, 1. Oh, Nexus has descored all the blue blocks that they accidentally scored during Auton. Meanwhile, High Voltage is pressing hard on Nuisance and stopping them from scoring. Meanwhile, Foothill Robotics is trying to get the 3 blocks in the long goal that they have right now into the control zone. While there is some action going on between High Voltage and Nuisance. Oh, now it looks like Blue has the control zone of the upper center goal, while Red has the control zone on both of the other long goals. And Blue also has the control zone of the lower center goal. With the current score of 60 to 35, Red Alliance looks like they're in the lead, but this could be anyone's game if all the teams decide to play hard and strong. Oh, we also have one Foothill Robotics and Nexus entangled to each other. Meanwhile, the main match right now is between Nuisance and High Voltage, and Nuisance makes a quick second score while High Voltage is trying to stop them from scoring. Oh, Nexus makes a D score over here, and they push all the blue blocks outside and getting their block inside the control zone. Oh! What a D score by High Voltage.
Yes, 2, 1, auto! All right, Royal Flush, 1, 2, 3 in their robot. They've got a blue 1, 2, add Astra going in with 4. Vortex does a big push. Oh, man. Blue Alliance takes the autonomous bonus. Let's get ready for driver control in 3, 2, 1. Lights out, away we go. Ad Astra, fastly loading. Fastly? Hoy. Loading so fast there, blocks into their loader. Oh, 2 more going in. We're back. Royal Flush had a momentary disconnect, but they are back in action. Vortex trying to prevent access for Ad Astra, but Ad Astra is just too fast. TVTC, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks in, and Royal Robots 5 blocks in, and Royal Flush cannot quite defend. Woo, that was, so I'm gonna suggest that maybe Blue lift their arm up. Lift your arm. We've got a pretty intense entanglement with that wing between, let's see, who is that? That's gonna be Vortex and Ad Astra. So now it's just a battle between Royal Flush and TVT Robot C. Not your actual human arms, the arm of your robot. See if we can wiggle it out. Oh no! All right, TVT tips, but then comes back. Royal Flush maintaining 1. I don't think we're gonna get an unentangled robot over on our front side of the field. I think that just takes out Ad Astra and Vortex. Okay, now we're trying to disentangle. Oy vey, what a messy match.
This match started in 3, 2, 1. We have all of our robots moving over here, and all the Eagles are moving and grabbing all their blocks, and they're scoring. Meanwhile, the Pandas and the Fusions, they're also getting some blocks in. Oh boy. Red has the control bonus of the upper center goal, while Blue has the control bonus for both of the long goals. Blue wins a ton. Let's start driver in 3, 2, 1. Oh, Iron Eagle's Ember goes for the control bonus as they push their blocks in. You guys could still.
I can't move.
All right, and on red. Oh, Space Pandas just made a massive D-score, and they D-scored all the blocks that Iron Eagle's Ember have scored. Meanwhile, on your side of the field, Exothermic Fusion and the other Eaglebot or Eagle Engineering Bravo, they are fighting for the control zone on your side of Longo. Meanwhile, the other Eaglebot and Space Pandas over here are fighting for the control zone and to score as many blocks as they can. Space Panda scores 4, Iron Eagle scores 6, and Iron Eagles gets the control bonus. Never mind. Oh, never mind, they do. Meanwhile, Exothermic Fusion gets 4 blocks in the lower center goal. And so far, the current score is 45-22. Let's see if any of the lines could make a comeback. Never mind, it's 28-45. Red has the control bonus of both of the long goals, while Blue has the control bonus of the lower center goal. Oh, what a massive D score by Space Pandas. And now, we have two blue blocks and one red box. Oh, a trick shot by Iron Eagle's Ember as they...
3, 2, 1, warp 5. Oh my goodness. Mile High Mechanics, whole bunch of blocks into that mechanism. Oh, but 𝗥𝗯𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 knocks him out. It's a battle for the middle. Audience side long goal, not owned by anyone. Red has the 2 in the center. Blue has the 1 in the back. Now we gotta do math. Not even hard math in theory, but there is something about doing math as a head referee that somehow becomes incredibly complicated and convoluted. It's not even like Algebra 1 level math, but none of us can manage to do it on the fly. I don't know if it's like the pressure of the situation, the crippling anxiety that we've gotten it wrong. Red Alliance takes autonomous. Let's get going into driver control in 3, 2, 1. All right, that's the answer from Mile High Mechanics. They're gonna push everything that was scored by 𝗥𝗯𝗃𝗃𝗃 out of the way. Susan getting absolutely bodied by 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃𝗃. Woo, hello Mile High. 1, 2, 3 in from Susan. Giving back everything that 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 gave, stealing that energy. What was going on there, 𝗥𝗯𝗃? Oh, Mile High coming over, giving 𝗥𝗯𝗃 a bonk. You okay, 𝗥𝗯𝗃? No, is the answer. Uh-oh. All right, it's not a white screen. Your radio is red. Have you tried doing a hard reboot on your controller? Let's get that hard reboot going, see if that helps. Charles is keeping close watch, and trust me, if there is anybody whose eyes you want to have watching your robot in a match for any electronic issues, it is Charles. Mile High bullying. Oh, bullying poor 𝗥𝗯𝗃 around the field. They just got their power back, guys. Susan trying to wiggle her way out from behind 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃. Here she comes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even though 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 was right on her tail. Susan going and rescuing 𝗥𝗯𝗃 from the park zone. 1, 2, 3 in from 𝗥𝗯𝗃. Susan coming in for another couple, but 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 is in the way. Susan goes for the middle. 8 seconds remain. 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 is hot on the heels. Whoa, that's picking up the rear end of a robot. That's not part of what we like to do.
Okay, let's get this match started in 3, 2, 1. We have all of our robots moving over here, and it seems to me as if 𝗹𝗶𝗏 has scored 1 block on the lower center, while the unicorns have been scoring 1 block on the lower center as well. Oh, we have an upset in Auton right now. Blue has Auton, and the current score is 43-15. Let's see if Red Alliance can make a comeback. Let's start driver in 3, 2, 1. Oh, Vex Robotics just scored 5 blocks, and they have 1 inside the control zone right now. Meanwhile, Nuisance is just trying to defend all the blocks that they have in the control zone right now and stopping the unicorns from getting their blocks inside. Oh, 𝗹𝗶𝗏 is trying to push in and get their blocks into the control zone, but Vex Robotics is pushing back. Oh, we have the unicorns collecting blocks right now and getting ready to score on the lower center, and yes, they do. Oh, wow. What a D score by 𝗹𝗶_𝘁𝘀 as they D-scored 3 blocks and have 2 blocks inside the control zone now. Look like red is making a big comeback. Let's see if blue could fight back. Oh, Nuisance has scored 3 blocks, but the Unicorns D-scored 2 of them. Meanwhile, the Unicorns are going in for the lower center goal. And yes, they get 2 blocks in, but that's not enough to contest the middle goal yet. Oh! Oh! Vex Robotics just scored 2 blocks, but then they're getting bodied by 𝗹𝗶 right now. And the match ends in 4 seconds. Let's see who could win this.
2, 1, boom. Making quick work to the center. We got a lot of bonking and a lot of grabbing, but not a lot of picking up. All right, Mile High does a really good job of unloading from the match loader, but all the other ones they went for, not quite in. We had seems like alignment was a little bonky on our Red Alliance. We've got 1, 2, and then another 2, and then 3, and then blue has 2. It really is going to go for that middle, unless something happened. Red Alliance? Question mark? Perhaps? Drew? Charles? Red Alliance takes autonomous, keeping us all in suspense. Let's try driver control for this match. One more time in 3, 2, 1. All right, Susan wiggles her way. That was so sneaky, Susan. Susan going for the sneak attack against 𝗏𝗏𝗃. She's short enough she can squeeze underneath that long goal. Mile High is absolutely squashing on 𝗥cie_𝗯់. 𝗥cie_𝗯lle has a full loader of blue. They're going to go for the big pickup. Mile High plants one and bonks everybody in. Ooh, 𝗥cie_𝗯lle taking a hit. 𝗏𝗏𝗃 and Susan locked in a battle over the long goal at the front of the field. Susan goes grabby, grabby, so does 𝗏𝗏𝗃. It's going to be a matter of who gets to the goal first. They're both going for everything they can grab. It's an epic battle. We've also got a lockup between Mile High Mechanics and 𝗥cie_𝗯lle. Little tangle. Ooh, 𝗥cie_𝗯lle, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 𝗏𝗏𝗃 can't quite manage to wiggle things out. Oh, wait, that's not 𝗏𝗏𝗃. Is that 𝗏𝗏𝗃? No, that's Mile High Mechanics. 𝗏𝗏𝗃 is still locked in a battle with Susan. Oh no, all of Susan's blocks got dumped out of the long goal. One even landed on Susan's head. Oh, big hit coming out of 𝗥cie_𝗯lle. Huge. Removing every red block while also securing blue into the center. 15 seconds left. The center goal is solidly owned by red. That hasn't changed. Uh-oh. 𝗥cie_𝗯lle is suddenly stuck into red's parking zone. Can Susan rescue them? Susan flips dominance on the top of the center.
Match started in 3, 2, 1. Oh, we have a solid auton from red. And let's see if we could have another auton from blue. Oh, looks like Space Pandas is trying to score, but Royal Flush has... Red has control on both of the long goals. Oh, red wins auto with the current score of 54-38. Let's see if Blue Alliance could make a comeback. Driver in 3, 2, 1. That was an interesting splash over there with all the blue blocks flying up in the sky by the clash of Royal Flush and Space Pandas. Meanwhile, we have some competition going on near the high center goal over here as Royal Flush and 𝗥cie𝗯𝘃𝗃𝗃𝗃 Fusion are trying to get the control bonus. Oh! We have Royal Flush trying to stop Space Pandas from scoring. But can they stop them from getting the control bonus? Let's see. Oh, looks like Royal Flush and Space Pandas are stationary and the robot can't move. Never mind, they start moving again. Oh, what a massive D-score by Space Pandas. And now, Royal Flush is going on and collecting all the blocks. Meanwhile, their alliance partner is trying to help them by getting the control bonus of the lower center goal. Wow, Royal Flush and Space Pandas collide over here in a battle to get the control bonus of the long goal. So far, the current score is 77-12. Oh, we have some tension going on between Royal Flush and Fusion right now. As soon as Fusion scores some blocks, Royal Flush just D-scores them. And that's the end of semifinals.
Ready, let's do finals or semifinals match 2 in 3, 2, 1. Auto. Ooh, big rush to the middle. Mile High Mechanics grabs many ball blocks off the field. Pink Shiny Unicorns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into the back goal. Mile High Mechanics with 4, and then it's going to be a battle. Can Mile High Mechanics swoop in and bonk out? Sublime matches on the front. Red also. Head ref Drew just did a really good explainer. Oh no, explainer of how 𝗥cie𝗯𝘃𝗃𝗃𝗃 impacts autonomous and how the bonus is handed out. Our Blue Alliance gets the auto bonus. Let's get into driver control in 3, 2, 1. Lights out and away we go. Pink Shiny Unicorns with a big hit. Mile High trying to answer back. Only 2 blocks remain in the far long goal. Down at the front, we've got Sublime hoping to hold off 𝗥𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃. 𝗥𝗃𝗃 with the first push, Sublime with the second, Pink Shiny and Mile High locked gear to gear. Sublime and 𝗥𝗃𝗃𝗃 answering match for match. 𝗥𝗃𝗃 pushes, Sublime pushes back. Pink Shiny Unicorns tries to go after more blocks, but Mile High is right on their swishy unicorn tail. Everyone goes into the middle. Mile High takes the center. No, now it's going to be Pink Shiny at the top, Pink Shiny at the bottom, Pink Shiny all the way in the front, and it's neutral at the back wall. 𝗥𝗃𝗃𝗃 digging things out of their match loader. Sublime chasing them down, hoping to keep them out of that goal, knocking them off center. 𝗥𝗃𝗃𝗃 can't land another block. Pink Shiny Unicorns answering back with Mile High. Everyone's battling over the bottom. Here comes 𝗥𝗃𝗃𝗃. And there goes Sublime. Oh, answered by Pink Shiny Unicorns. Whatever 𝗥𝗃𝗃𝗃 puts in, Shiny Unicorns takes out. Mile High Robotics absolutely demolishing everything in their match loader. Pink Shiny Unicorns pushes them off. 𝗥𝗃𝗃𝗃 facing off against Sublime. Sublime keeping them access to anything. 𝗥𝗃𝗃𝗃 with a small contact against that parking barrier. We are in the last 8 seconds. Pink Shiny going after the low goal, knocking out a red and maybe even a blue. Sublime coming in. They can't quite land it. Pink Shiny goes to the park, doesn't nail it either. Woo, that was a fun match. Blue Alliance, Sublime and the Pink Shiny Unicorns.
For green lights, let's get Auton started in 3, 2, 1. We have all of our robots moving over here. And Royal Flush scores 7 blocks on the long goal. Meanwhile, Ad Astra's Auton just scores 2 blocks on the long goal over there, and nobody has touched the center goals at all. We have an Auton upset right here as Blue takes the Auton bonus. Let's start driver in 3, 2, 1. Oh, we start off with the D-score between the Unicorns and Royal Flush. Well, we have 𝗵𝗶 and Sublime running into each other. Oh, what a massive D score by Unicorns. And Royal Flush is trying to get those blocks back as they score 2 and they try to get in control zone. Meanwhile, on your side of the long goal, the Sublime has just scored 2 blocks into the control zone. While 𝗵𝗶 is going for the center goals over here. Oh, Royal Flush makes a big D score and they D score all of Unicorn's blocks, making Red have the control bonus for the long goal over here. We have we have some clashes going on between the Unicorns and Royal Flush. Royal Flush scores 3 blocks and they D score all the rest from blue. Meanwhile, near the long goals, Sublime and 𝗵𝗶 are fighting to get the control bonus as well. Oh, Pink Shiny Unicorns D-scored 2 of the red blocks, but Red still has the control bonus as they have 1 block inside the control zone. Oh, what a big D-score by Pink Shiny Unicorns. Let's see. The current score is 44-6. Let's see if Red could make a big comeback. And it is the last 5 seconds of the game. Oh, what a big last second D score by Red Alliance.
28, 3, 2, 1, auto. Pink Shiny Unicorns, smooth off the block, being matched 1 for 1 by Royal Flush. Royal Flush gets the advantage, does a big push. 𝗵𝗶 also getting the advantage on Sublime, but Blue Alliance does have possession of 2 of the middle goals. All blocks are accounted for. It goes to the Red Alliance. Let's see where we go in driver control. 3, 2, 1, drive. Sublime and 𝗵𝗶 trying to make quick work, but 𝗵𝗶 gets the drop on Sublime. No more blue blocks remain in the long goals. Royal Flush all the way over on the other side of the field, gobbling up blocks out of the Blue Alliance loader. They're on their way back to their own side. They've got blocks ready to go. 𝗵𝗶 with another targeted push. Oh my gosh, the accuracy. Whoa! Pink Shiny Unicorns is not going to take that lying down. That might be because that horses and unicorns don't do terribly well when they lie down for long periods of time. It makes it hard to breathe. Pink Shiny Unicorns in with 2. Swoop! Oh, and a precision move by the Unicorns and asked and answered by Royal Flush. Sublime and 𝗵𝗶 match for match. 𝗵𝗶 back over at the long goal while Sublime goes for the middle. Oh no, somebody lost some rubber bands. I hope those weren't vital parts of your robot. 𝗵𝗶 doing some spin moves. I think they were trying to make a decision about where they were going. They try to go against Sublime, but Sublime holds strong and the blocks just bounce back. Bugga-ba-boom! That was a huge move by Sublime, knocking out all of the red blocks. It's a tangle at the front of the field with only 18 seconds left to go. 𝗵𝗶 coming to the back, hoping to recapture some of the ground they just lost. Thanks to Sublime. Sublime holding off Royal Flush. Pink Shiny Unicorns trying to hold off 𝗵𝗶. 𝗵𝗶 taking control of the top of the middle, going for the bottom. Trap count coming out. That's the match. Do it. 2 points. Our Blue Alliance is the Canyon champion.